Hey guys, Anthony Whaley here. Nuclear 101 YouTube channel. Yeah, my little bro, Trey, wait the camera. Wait. Yeah, my little bro Trey is gonna speed down the hill in that car. Okay guys? So yeah. So I'm gonna give him a boost and he's going to drift his butt off. If not, he's going to crash epically and do a complete and utter car roll. So now, time to play action. Let's go. Don't worry, Trey, I'll bring it up. Awesome. Here we go. Alright, go for the camera. Okay, go for the camera. Get your butt on.
Oh, I think I broke my arm.
No, Trey, if you break your arm, you'll be crying. Epic crash and burn.
Oh. Dad, take me to the hospital.
What?
Take me to the hospital.
No, you don't. If you break your arm, you'll be crying in pain. Okay. Now, that was Trey. Now, it's my turn to go down a hill. Go. Trey, did you boost me?
No. So.
Hold on. All my friends are going to see this. Please.
Our view.
Please. There's one down the hill. Okay?
I'll see what I can do.
Push me as hard as you can, okay? Alright guys, my turn.
Awesome. Wait.
Set the camera.
Awesome but painful.
Whoa. There you go. Time for me to crash and burn! Alright, Trey. Awesome boost! Alright, pass it. Woo!
Take two.
Take two, guys. That was not as awesome as we hoped. Whoa. Let me show you the camera's still recording.
Yeah, it's still recording.
Alright, time for my second run. Trey, give me all you got.
Alright.
Go. All you got, little bro! Rock out!
Take
One
three.
takes.
Take three.
No one takes.
Why not?
Okay, guys. That's Anthony Whaley and my little bro Trey. Face the camera again, Trey.
Yeah, what's up?
Okay, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Nuclear 101. Peace out.
And we'll also do some more videos.
Yeah, we'll try to do some more videos, okay? Awesome.
See you
Out.
later.